In this video, I'll show you how to create and verify IQ option account. I'll also show you how to trade binary options inside IQ options in a profitable way. To create an account on IQ options, simply click on here and you'll see a link to download IQ options mobile app. Simply click on it. And now you can click on install. Let's wait for the app to be installed in our mobile. Watch this video till end so you don't feel any confusion while creating and verifying your iCaption account through your mobile phone. Now iCaption is installed. Now let's click on open. Now put your phone number or email address. I'll put my phone number. You can put your email address, no problem with that. Now make a password that you can remember and select your country and click on I am 18-year-old and click on registration. Now you will receive a code. Now I have entered my mobile phone number, that's why I have received the code in the mobile phone. If you have entered your email address, then you will receive that code in the email address. So now you have created an account. Now let's see here. Now you don't see a binary options trading instrument at here. Okay, so mostly people download and use IQ option to trade binary options. In that case, simply go here, simply go to here and then click on support and then type I don't see binary options app at binary options here in this app. Simply type this much and send to them, send to support, and they will, there is a I don't understand but I might be able, okay, confirm, redirect your questions to support. Now they will reply you with a link to another similar app of IQ option, that is IQ option X, and you need to download it. Now once they send you the link of that app, then you can download it. Let's wait for that. And after okay, so I got a reply. Okay, so now you can again chat with them by telling there is no binary options here, and let's wait for their reply. Let me explain it to you, please. Okay, the point is that it is not possible to trade options on Android due to the regulation guideline issued by the Google Play. Okay, it is an APK file you can download on your device. Okay, so this is the APK file. If you click on here, then you need to provide the permission to download this app in order to trade the binary options. Okay, you can find this application version on our site, so you don't need to take tension of this app. Okay, because they cannot, okay, this type of message you will get this type of file can harm your device. Okay, this is because it is not available on the Google Play. That's why you get this kind of message, but it is absolutely safe to download. Now click on OK, and now it is downloaded. Now let's click on open and click on install in this way. Now let's wait for this app to install and click on open. Okay, let me show you the icon of this app. Okay, how does this app look? So okay, now let me get out of this platform firstly. Okay, so now the IQ option X app will be, where is it? Let me search for it. IQ. Okay, so this is the app. Okay, now you can click on here. Now watch this video till the end. Okay, and I need to tell you some important information here also. Now click on login and put the mobile number that you have used to log in, or email address that you have used to make an account on IQ option. Let's log in. Now you can see there is the binary options available in this app. Okay, in previous app there is no binary options. Okay, in this way you can get this app and start to trade binary options. However, you can also trade forex, stocks, ETF, commodities here. Now you need to verify your account, right? For that you can again go to the support and ask them, okay, how can I verify my documents so that I don't face any problem while withdrawing my funds. Okay, if you message this much, then now they will give you the instruction, and they will also, most probably they will give you an email address where you can send your verification document, and then you will have a fully verified IK option account. And once you have that, then you can easily withdraw your fund. Okay, because if at this time you just deposited and made some profit and you wanted to withdraw, then at that time also you need to verify your documents to be able to withdraw your fund. So that's why it is good to just verify it in the start. Okay, now another important thing is you can click on here and go to here and fill your name here. Okay, whatever your name is, just fill it here and click on this tick mark. Okay, and your surname at here similarly, and do this, and you can set a nickname for yourself, whatever, Hulk or Thor, whatever you want to put, and allow others to see your name. Okay, don't touch anything here. And if you have signed up from mobile phone, now you can enter your email address here. Okay, so that if you forget your password, then you can recover it through your mobile phone also, and email address also. And but if you have signed up from email address, then what you can do is you can put your phone number at here also. Okay, now you can select these things. In citizenship, which country are you from, just select it. Okay, and then put the city address, postal code. Okay, postal code, if you don't know what postal code is, then you can find zip code in Google. Okay, like if your country is India and your city is Mumbai, then Mumbai zip code, or Mumbai postal code. If you search for that, then you will get 4 to 5 digit number that you can paste at here. Okay, and here in verification flow, your personal data is completed, your phone verification will be completed, and your email address will also be completed by doing this much. Okay, and then the support will send you the instruction to verify your document. Okay, you can simply to upload the document from PC, please follow this. To upload the document straight from the mobile application, please go to, okay, you can see they have provided you the brief instruction. You can simply follow this. They have a video here, I think you can watch it and verify it easily. Okay, the verification of the document takes 1 to 5 business days, and if all is good, your document will be approved, and you don't need to take any tension. You just need to provide your citizenship or passport or driving license, I think, to verify your account on IQ option. So as you can see here, okay, proof of identity. Okay, after you complete this 3 steps, sorry, after you complete all these 3 steps, after putting your email, phone number, sorry, in your verification flow, phone number, personal data, once you enter personal data, then enter phone number, then email, do email confirmation, and then you will ask here to upload your proof of identity. Okay, now you can upload your passport or citizenship or driving license. Make sure it is in English, because that will help you to get the easy approval in IQ option, and then you can start to trade. Now one thing I want to show you more at here, how to trade binary options as a beginner. Okay, so let's say let's go to demo account here. Okay, if you're completely new in binary options trading and want to make some profit, then I have some tips for you. So let me close it, what I was going here. Okay, let me close it. So now you select a currency pair. Here you can see 97% profit, you are getting 97% profit. So now you can see here you can make candlestick and make it 1 minute. So just do it, try it in demo account. Okay, so as you can see, here is the, at this side in left side, here you can see in the top 49%, and in below here you can see 51%. Let me show you, and here you can see 53%, sorry, here you can see 54%, and here you can see 46%. Okay, so now wherever the sentiment is low in 46%, just make a trade at there, and if you are wrong in this case, then you always go with the higher percentage. Now it is 48% showing at here, right? Let me show you. So now it is above, that is showing 47%. Right now we'll make a trade on by clicking on put. Okay, so clicking on put. So now let me invest $100 at here by clicking on put. For 1 minute I will be trading. So let's let it go up a little bit, and then so it started, as you can see here how beautifully this is dropping down. So it gives us a strong signal to make a trade on put. So I made a trade on put. Now let's wait, it will take like 34 seconds to close this trade. Now let's wait. So okay, now in next trade, if you see if the percentage is low at here, then you make on call. Okay, trade by clicking on call. In this way you can practice trading binary options. Now let's wait for this trade to close, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe. If you have any questions, then comment down in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to answer you. So as you can see, we made a profit in our demo account. You can practice in this way. If you didn't understand, then watch this video again and you will be more clear. So I hope this video was extremely helpful for you. Take care, have a great day ahead. Bye bye.